you hear this brother in the back? We're going to the beach and he's reciting what I've said in the past. I'm slightly disturbed by this.
What's your mantra, Ben?
Going to the beach.
And you know what? That's what we're doing today. Boom! This is our dedication. We're driving back to circle back to 7-Eleven so that we can grab some coffee. Well, apparently the healthy option that my wife is saying is water. But I'm not going for water. I'm going for coffee. All right, we made it in our U-turn. Check this out. What we got? What do we have? 7-Eleven. That's right, 7-Eleven, baby. 7-Eleven. No, Ben has just told me he has 80 paces left, and look where he's going. It's 7-Eleven. Skidly. See, he's got ahead of me. French vanilla. Right, Mike? Why, hello, team. Almost done. Thank you. Take that. One more to go. Hey, what's up, young man? I like your shirt, man. King Sword. Yes. Brain freeze.
It's really good ice cream, man.
But he has the brain of the freezing. You see, he's not allowed to have it in the truck. So 7-Eleven ice cream outside the truck equals brain freeze. Shame. This is the moment that we have to endure in the ride. Do you hear this? Do you see this? My wife and I have to endure this. Look at these guys. Seriously? I have to drive in this car. I think they like my wife here. Check this out. Isaac has gone outside to eat some food and now he has a fan club. Hey guys.
Bye-bye.
See you later. You guys are awesome. Bye.
Hey, Joey, can you come up?
All right, we finally made it to the front of the queue, the wharf. Money. Should you want to go on an Island City Express adventure, that's the bus for you.
Only 10 rings.
Salamat. 220, I believe. Thank you. That's where we're heading right there. Beautiful Samal Island. And that is our ride. Finally. Little sweet corn stop right here. Nice. Can I have one? Please? Oh, thank you. All right, we made it. We're just across. Gonna get on to Samal Island. I gotta go get some watermelon. We can saw this up. Let's go get a watermelon. No, this is gonna be the trick. Joey, you joining me?
Yeah.
Joe and I are gonna go get ourselves a watermelon. There's some that we've seen over here. 25 per kilo. So which one is the best one here? Ready to eat, Karon? Is it tamis na ready to eat or dili?
80.
80? Okay, double when yung price? Okay ra. You understand Bisaya? Oh yeah, he does. Daghang salamat. And we are off, finally going. Let's go, let's go. We are cruising Samal Island. It's pretty cool here. Everybody's just chilling. It's about a 35-40 minute cruise to the our regular spot for the beach, for a place to chill. But as you can see, everybody's chilling, listening to nice music. Afraid of that storm cloud. No, no, no. All right, it is a crazy holiday season, so there is no space in our regular spot. So we've been told to keep going and find a yellow building on the right. This could be...
Hey, look at that.
What? Oh my goodness, this is busy. Everywhere is crazy because it's holiday today. It's Good Friday. So... all right, we've been sent down this tiny little road here, so we're hoping that we're gonna have some success. Little boat just parked up in the yard like you do. Marvin's boat. Well, we got to find a place to park, but we gotta walk to the beach. Which isn't so bad, really. Everybody's just chilling. This little guy's making a bit of work for mommy. Oh, he is awake. He's got his sneaky eyes open.
Yeah, he is.
Micah.
You see these in the bottles.
Yeah, you can get that in the tasting.
Oh yeah. Oh my, oh my. Look at this beach. That is full. It's the holidays. Happy holidays, as they say here in the Philippines. So anyway, what you gonna do? It is what it is. We're gonna get and hit this beach. Here's the crew. You found a space? Found a space?
It's shaded, but wala la mesa.
Really?
No tables
Look
left.
at this dude. I think people slept over last night, man.
Yeah.
Must have been a party of some sort. Because this place is kicking. The knot. We found a shaded area in our little beach, apparently. So let's see what happens. We're surrounded by tents. I feel like I'm in some sort of disco party, summer vibe dealy. Shim sham. All right, so what you didn't get to see is that we had to try to fight for a space in our normal island spot here, our getaway. But it just wasn't gonna be. There was way too many people. So we managed to dip our toes with the kids just for a few moments and decided, you know what, we'll come back on another day and head on out of here. Well, I think we're gonna call it a day. The skies are starting to come down, so we're gonna make a quick exit of this place. Come back another time when it's not so crazy. Everybody's ready here. The mass exodus. The exodus. We're rolling out of here. Right, Mike? Right? There's mommy. You see her? Yeah, right there. That's right. Mike and I are rolling out of here. Say what's up, Mike. Good?